kasi nagsasolid pa rin yung friendship.
Yeah.
Okay. James, sabihin mo na, kasi namin bayan hindi nagre-react sa nangyayari sa wala.
Yeah.
Reaction nyo?
We should just sit back, relax,
And
enjoy
enjoy,
the show
yeah.
for what it is.
Okay. Anong mensahe nyo sa kanilang, ano, na kalmalan ba? Ano?
Actually, it's good that they're, na may mga violent reactions sila. Actually, again, like mga hate messages, hate tweets, pero okay lang kasi at least I know it's effective. Maganda po yun na parang affected sila sa story kasi at least alam namin na, alam mo yun, connected sila sa amin, na nanonood talaga sila, nakasubaybay sila.
Anong plans niyo sa Valentine's?
We have work.
Anong work? Anong gagawin?
Kasama kayong dalawa, syempre.
I think so. I don't know.
It's very
Hectic.
May
Even Valentine's Day.
Po?
Even Valentine's Day.
We have
Kung ibang araw, merong ibalak kunyari celebrate yun kahit na hindi Valentine's Day mismo.
we have a world tour coming soon. Paris.
May surprise ba kayo sa isa't isa? Hindi ito talaga pair?
James, did you prepare anything special for Valentine's Day?
If I did,
wala din naman.